Hi everybody, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab. Today I am going to show you a very amazing thing that I have added for automations in Public Connect via my custom app. Okay, so you have been know that I do create lot of image and video generation custom apps inside Public Connect using platforms like Replicate or Fal AI, right? So recently, OpenAI has launched their based image generation model called GPT Image 1 via API. Okay, now this model hasn't been implemented inside Public Connect because one, I think so, the timeout is very long. Like it takes sometimes up to 3 to 5 minutes to generate the images as well. In my particular case, okay, at least if I give it a very detailed prompt with multiple image inputs in that case. But I have implemented one of the other reason, by the way, is that it returns the base 64 as a response, and public by default doesn't support base 64 as a response. So it doesn't convert the base 64 to image URL, right? Now, to overcome this whole thing and to get you the benefit of GPT Image 1 API as soon as possible, just within 48 to 72 hours of its launch time, I have implemented it using a particular replicate.com, OpenAI GPT Image 1 model, and this whole app is available on my store, store.integrationlab.in, and this is the name of the particular app. And here you can see that you can get this many image generation models just for $15 fee of one time. Okay, everything is included in this $15. Then you just pay for the API or pricing of replicate, right? You don't pay anything after that. Support is if you want me to basically set up this whole thing for you, then you can hire me for that as well, right? But for $15 you will be able to use this particular custom app inside your Public Connect account. Now, first, just let me take you through few examples that I have generated. Okay, so look at this thing. I generated a full-fledged like a action figure packaging and stuff, right? Using my own image. Actually, provided my own image for this thing. I have had worn this kind of like maroon colored t-shirt as well. Inside that, look at the text. It is so neat, right, and correct as well. Then one of my favorite game is called Hitman, so I asked it to create a Ghibli studio style kind of a poster for Hitman game, right? So looks amazing. Another one is for like graphics. It didn't follow the no code automation, but I think so. But just look at the text and stuff, right? It is so good, and the infographics are very good as well. So if you give even more detailed prompts, I think so it will give you even better results as well, right? And just to end, you might have seen this thing a lot. I think so in last 2 3 weeks I have seen this particular kind of images, like a glass capsule action figure kind of images, and this packaged action figure kind of images a lot on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere, LinkedIn as well even, right? So now all these things are possible inside Public Connect, and you don't have to worry about any API connection or anything. I have done all those things on behalf of you, so you can directly start using the this latest API image generation model. Okay, so once you purchase the app, you need to go to your Public Connect account, create a new workflow, and in actions, you need to search for replicate image generation, and then select this action called OpenAI GPT Image 1. Then you have to connect it via your replicate API key, right? And then you have to enter your OpenAI API key as well. I know it looks like this, but unfortunately Public doesn't have like hide field kind of a thing, right? So I have to put it like this only. So make sure you don't give access to this particular workflows to anybody else, right? Then you enter the prompt. This is that particular action figure prompt available here. Okay, aspect ratio only three options are available. Then you can enter one or multiple images as well, like you can give it as a reference image. So if I show you, so you see background, that's my actual photo. Okay, so it used my image as well, and in also in that action figure, so you can see that it used my photo in the to create the action figure, right? So yeah, you can give the reference images in here. Just make sure you use double quotes to mention it, and if you are passing multiple, you need to separate them by comma. Just don't use double quotes inside prompt because it's a public connect issue. Okay, so make sure you don't do that. Then number of images, how many you want. Quality, there are auto. I always keep it auto. Auto is more than enough, I would say. Then background is auto, transparent, opaque. Output format is PNG, JPG or WebP. I always prefer PNG. Compression, in case you want to do that or not, depends on your choice. Or moderation, auto, low, whatever you want to set. User ID, that was an option available, so I added. But none of the users I have seen have used this particular one for now. Okay. Then the most important part, which is not available even in OpenAI's native API for this image generation model, okay, that is Webhook. So you don't have to worry about public connects 25-second timeout. Okay, even if it takes, let's say, 5 minutes, even more than 5 minutes, even after that you will get your result on the webhook of your another workflow. Okay, so whenever the image is ready from OpenAI side, it will just send that data to the another webhook that you have mentioned here. Okay, and then you can also set that when it should be hit, like it should only hit when the image generation is completed, or also hit when the started as well, right? And yeah, so you can see here I have captured multiple webhook data as well, right? And in case you want to get it after the delay, so you can add a delay here in between. For example, if I do delay, let's say time delay, just for a safer side, you can add 5 minutes of delay, and then you can do replicate image generation and get prediction URL. So you can do this kind of thing. Okay, and yeah, basically that will give you the output one, this kind of URL. Sorry, this one. That's a prompt. I am so excited, so I missing few things, oh, this one is actually not even not sure if this is still exists. Okay, yeah. See, this one is now available. So output 0 will be your image URL, right? So yeah, then you can post it anywhere that you like. So yeah, I think so. Public Connect now has the base image generation model implemented inside its system. If you haven't subscribed me, please do that. And if you want to support me, please go ahead and buy custom app from my store. That will help me to create more content like this and more custom apps for you in the future as well. And yeah, till then, bye bye and see you in the next video. Thank you.